Mag-problem solving tayo. May 5 palaka. Nakaupo sila sa gilid ng pond. 5 sa kanila nag-decide na tumalon sa tubig. Ilang palaka ang natira? Ang sagot, 5 pa rin. Bakit? Because there is a big difference between deciding to do something and actually doing it. Itong pag-umpisa ng bagong taon, ito yung panahon na oftentimes we decide to do many things. We decide to pray more, we decide to be closer to Jesus. Kaya lang, many of our longings naiiwan lang sa isip at hindi nakikita sa gawa. Katulad ng mga palaka, we decide but we do not jump. Many times sa buong taon last year, I decided on doing content creation again. Pero hindi ko talaga siya nagawa. Wala talagang nangyari until I'm actually doing it now. It's a difficult process to start again, but I'm doing it. Sabi ni Saint Bernard of Clairvaux, hell is full of good wishes and desires. Kung nasa isip lang, walang halaga yan. There is no virtue in good intentions. Merely intending to do good is nothing. Real virtue, yung pagiging mabuting tao, it develops in small, consistent actions. Kaya kung ano man yung naiisip mo na maganda, mabuti, itong bagong taon, don't just think it, actually do it. Share ko lang, share mo rin.